On my previous video, I have my ribeye steak, which I season with Slap Your Mama, pepper, steak seasoning. I have onions. I put oil in the bottom of the pan. I'm going to sear it on both sides of the meat. And let me show you my seasonings. I put some Slap Your Mama. I love this seasoning. Steak seasoning. A little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of thyme. And of course, always black pepper. I don't know where my friend is, but he's gonna miss out. I also have here some cream corn, some green beans, and also some yellow rice that I have going on as well. Hopefully I will get a cabbage or a salad going as well. But I hope you have a great Sunday. And I finally got my internet back on. Somebody please boycott Spectrum.